What if I told you that one of the most popular bodybuilding routines in history might actually be slowing down your muscle growth? Every week, millions of lifters walk into the gym and train either using a bro split or a push-pull legs routine. Both camps swear their method is superior, but here's the shocking part. If two people train equally hard, eat the same amount of protein, and sleep the same number of hours, one routine may still build muscle faster than the other. So which one wins? And more importantly, which one is right for you? The answer isn't as simple as most fitness influencers make it sound. Let's break it down. The first mistake people make is asking the wrong question. They ask, which program is better? When they should be asking, which program allows me to stimulate muscle growth more effectively over time? Because muscles don't care what your workout is called. They only respond to tension, effort, recovery, and consistency. Yet many lifters choose a routine because their favorite bodybuilder uses it. Imagine copying the training plan of a Formula One driver before you've even learned how to drive. That's essentially what many beginners do. So before we compare these two systems, let's understand how they actually work. A bro split usually looks something like this: Monday, chest; Tuesday, back; Wednesday, shoulders; Thursday, arms; Friday, legs. Each muscle gets its own dedicated day. At first glance, this seems perfect. You can absolutely destroy one muscle group with exercise after exercise, and that's exactly why bodybuilders loved it for decades. But here's the first light bulb moment. Your muscles don't stay in growth mode for an entire week after training. Research suggests muscle protein synthesis is elevated for a limited period before returning towards baseline. So if you're only training chest once every 7 days, you're spending several days waiting for the next growth signal. Think of it like watering a plant. Would you dump 7 days' worth of water on it once a week, or would you water it more frequently? Now let's look at push-pull legs. Push day trains chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull day trains back and biceps. Leg day trains the lower body. Instead of hammering one muscle once per week, most lifters cycle through these workouts repeatedly. This means each muscle often gets trained twice weekly. Rather than trying to create one massive growth signal, you're creating multiple growth signals throughout the week. Frequency is only useful if recovery keeps up. Imagine trying to charge your phone twice as often with a broken charger. The extra charging attempts won't help. For most people, push-pull legs will likely provide slightly better muscle building potential. But the real secret isn't frequency, it isn't volume, it isn't exercise selection, it's consistency. A decent program followed for 3 years will outperform the perfect program followed for 3 weeks. Keep showing up, keep getting stronger, and your muscles will take care of the rest.